Welcome back. Well, it was another nice one out there today. 67 the high. That's pretty much on mark for the time of the year. 36 the morning start, a little bit chillier than normal, but not too terribly bad. You can always expect anywhere between 5 to 10 degrees above or below the normal this time of year. And as we get closer to Christmas, maybe a little bit above normal, but we'll talk more about that in the days to come. Let's take a look at the big picture, though, see what's going on right now. And our next weather maker is going to be an interesting weather maker at that. Upper level low is going to spark a low pressure system out in the Gulf of Mexico, which will make it very interesting out in the Gulf. Not as interesting for the rest of us inland, but more than likely another rainy Saturday or portions of Saturday in the mix. So that's our next weather system. Right now, it's already producing the threat of big snows across portions of New Mexico, southern Colorado, where anywhere between 8 to 12 inches will fall below 7,500 feet, and above 7,500 feet, you're talking a couple of feet of snow. So there's going to be some nice snows, and these snows are going to move into the Texas Panhandle with time as well. Meanwhile, for us, it's been a mostly sunny day. Some high clouds darting in and out across the area, occasionally dulling the sun. Eventually, we'll see more high clouds than sun, but tomorrow kind of a sun and high cloud mix as we take a look at our latest graph model. It will be chilly tomorrow morning, around 40, and then again we'll see intervals of sun but intervals of high clouds. Mid-60s your high, so not much different than today, other than the winds begin to increase a little bit as we start feeding that moisture back to the north and west. There's the snows off to the north and west, rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder out ahead of it, and then for us it just stays breezy and mild. Temperatures again in the mid-60s on Thursday, and we do it all over again moving into Friday. You can see this storm system and showers moving eastward now. We'll extrapolate that with the Euro model, and it doesn't look much different than yesterday with rain moving through the area, maybe some locally heavy downpours. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder, but severe weather is going to be limited way out here in the Gulf of Mexico. Look at this low pressure system getting cranked up. It almost looks like and will be like a tropical storm for portions of Florida with respect to rainfall, surf issues, and then maybe up through the Carolinas with time as well. Meanwhile, for us, after a relatively wet Saturday, Sunday looking better, maybe some wraparound clouds, and it will be breezy as northwest winds kick back in. This is a product we don't show you but once every maybe hurricane or so, but just wanted to show you that our model's really picking up on 8 to 14 foot seas offshore, so it's going to be very rough offshore. Small craft advisories already have been issued. Gale warnings will be probable for the deep water areas of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, as for rainfall, we showed you that low developing out in the Gulf. If that low indeed develops out in the Gulf, it may rob some of the moisture that'll be coming in. But the Euro going for 1 inch to 2 inches of rain, even more so a little bit farther south and east. The GFS was in the same camp, although the latest run just came in going closer to maybe a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain, with, of course, those heavier rains offshore with all the action that's going to be going on out there. So in the near term for now, it's just a chilly night ahead. Mid-30s for northern portions of Acadiana. I think most of us here stay above the freezing mark. Upper 30s, lower 40s, thanks to those high clouds kind of slowing down the latent heat release from the ground. So we're not going to be quite as chilly, but still chilly out there. And with a little bit of an easterly breeze, it'll feel chilly for sure. Tomorrow back into the mid-60s. Tomorrow night, most of us hold in the lower 50s. And then as we head into Thursday, more mid-60s. And again, the icon showing mostly cloudy skies, a lot of high clouds in the days ahead. But the days won't be too dim until we get to about Saturday. 41 the low tonight. High clouds gradually moving in from the west, and we'll see more of that tomorrow. Sun and high cloud mix. Normal temperatures for this time of year, maybe not quite as mild as today with that high cloud cover. 65 the high with breezy east to northeast winds. Breezy for Thursday, Friday through the weekend. We'll say 1 to 2 possible. We're going 80% on your rain chances Saturday. May not rain all day Saturday, so don't cancel the plans yet. We'll have better information as the week wears on. And then going into next week, a quiet week ahead of Christmas, although we do see milder temperatures as we get closer to the 24th and 25th of the month. We'll have to wait and see on that, however. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.